finally doing the finale. It's the finale, y'all. It's the finale. I am finally ending this pattern haul series. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching part 1 and part 2. If you have not, I will share the link to part 1 and part 2 in the description box below. My channel, Denise the Sloth Sewist. It's your girl Denise. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back, fam. This is your first time clicking on my video. I hope that you consider sticking around by subscribing to my channel so that you do not miss any of my content. I'm talking about hauls, fabric hauls, pattern hauls, thrift hauls, me-made reveals, behind the scene footage, and what your girl got going on within my sewing. Here on my channel, I share the latest pattern and fabric sales that are happening. I get information out to you all the time. Your girl will share it here on my channel. All right, everyone, welcome new subscribers to the channel. I am so glad that you all decided to join my channel. Thank you all so much in advance for returning to watch another video with me. In addition, for liking, sharing, subscribing, commenting, and just being here with me. All right, everyone, in today's video, I am sharing with you all a total of 10 sewing patterns. Now, some of these sewing patterns were purchased during Hobby Lobby's clearance sale when they were 50 cents during the final days, and your girl got in on the sale. In addition, I found a pattern from Walmart that I would like to share with you all, and I will tell you all which views I'm interested in making. This Friday, April the 3rd, on my channel, in my video, I will share with you all the behind the scenes. I will tell you all what pattern I'm working on, that you all see the fabric, also some of the behind the content when I'm attaching the pieces as well. I hope that you all decide to stick around. So if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe so that you not miss my video this Friday. Now, in today's video, I'm finally doing the finale. It's the finale, y'all! It's the finale! I am finally ending this pattern haul series. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching part 1 and part 2. If you have not, I will share the link to part 1 and part 2 in the description box below. In addition, make sure y'all stay tuned for more sewing content. Today's video, I'm sharing with you all McCall's and Know Me patterns, and one pattern that I purchased from Walmart. Let's get into it. First, McCall's 8007. I purchased this particular pattern because I was interested in making all of the views. I have no pants like this that I can recall at this particular moment in my closet, and I'm here. Up first will be view B. I like it with the pockets. I like it. Let's look at the line art. If you notice, view B has back pockets, and views A and C do not. Once again, it's McCall's 8007. Next is McCall's 7719. It is create your own look. You can mix and match the pieces to create your what? Own look. This is rated as easy. Let me tell you all, the first one, this one is rated as easy as well. So easy. It's rated as easy. This is rated as easy. Which view I'm here for? All the views are gorgeous. However, I would like to make view 2 and 5. I like that a lot. Here's the line art. All right, next. Oh, I did want to mention something to you. When looking for the notions on this particular pattern, you will have to open the envelope and find the instructions. Within the sewing instructions are the notions that you will need for this particular pattern. And it is right here. So make sure if you purchase this pattern and you're unaware of this, you open up your sewing, open up the packet, and pull out your instructions right within the second page, I believe, are the instructions. Okay. Once again, that's McCall's 7719. This is McCall's 8117. I'm here for all of the views. I'm interested in making view A. That is so cute to me. Here is the line art. Once again, that is McCall's 8117. Next is McCall's 7391. 7391. I like views B and D. Not ruling these out, but these are the two views I'll be interested in making, either one of these. Here's my artwork. Next, 8369. This is one of my guys picked for me. And I'm interested in making views B and C. I like this. I'm always down for any little flare, bells, whatever you want to call it. I'm down for those. I like, girl. But yes, this view, I'm telling you now. All right, next, the line art. And this right here is a Mrs. Knit tops and pants, stretch knit. So if you have some stretch knit in your stash, this would be a great make. Next is Know Me 2034. This is a jacket and dress. Gotta add it to my wardrobe, y'all. Nothing like this in my wardrobe. I gotta try it. I gotta make it. I'm telling you. All right, so here's the line art. Front and back views. All right, next. And once again, that is Know Me 2034. Next is McCall 7729. It is a jean jacket. So it says Mrs. Jackets and Vests. Not only can you make a jacket with this particular pattern, you can also make a vest with it. I like it. I want to make one of these, add another one. I have a denim one already, but I need to make a larger size. Okay, here we go. Line art. Once again, it's McCall 7729. Next is art. Once again, it's McCall 7729. Next is Know Me 2014. I want to make views A, B, and C. Once again, I would like to make views A, B, and C. Here's the line art. Next is McCall 7176. This is the very first item that I have in my stash with nothing ever like it. It's for some chaps. It's McCall's Fashion Accessories 7176. I like the chaps. Here's the line art. Once again, that's McCall 7176. Next, my last but not least is my Walmart pattern find. It's so simple. McCall's. Only paid $2.97 for it. Here's the line art. Which view am I interested in making? I'm interested in first making view B, then view A. And it only requires 2 yards, only uses 2 yards of fabric. All right, everyone. My motto is, that's everything. I hope that you all have enjoyed my pattern. My motto is, keep trying until you get it right. Denise the Sloth Sewist. Thank you all so much for watching. Your girl Denise the Sloth Sewist will see you this Friday on my next video, behind the scenes. See you all then. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.